Hi everyone, are you looking for a beautifully engineered, hand-built, everyday carry pen that will stand the test of time? Or perhaps searching for the perfect gift for a discerning writer or stationery enthusiast? Today we're showcasing the stainless steel writer pen, a meticulously crafted writing instrument built to last. It offers a smooth, reliable writing experience with your choice of inks. The writer pen takes a Rollerball G2 ink refill cartridge, or, if you prefer, it can take a Ballpoint Type K ink refill, making it an exceptional treat for yourself or someone special. Sorry, quick interruption. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, so if you wouldn't mind, could you please just hit the like button, subscribe, and perhaps hit the bell if you'd like to know more in the future of what we're doing. Thank you. When we designed the writer pen, we put a lot of thought into the user experience, particularly how it feels to handle and carry with you. It stands out amongst our hand-built pens and mechanical pencils in terms of tactile quality. A key element of this is our double O-ring sleeve. This design ensures a remarkably smooth opening and closing action, allowing the internal part to move freely within the sleeve, preventing any damage to the pen itself. It has a movement akin to a finely tuned piston, gliding with exceptional smoothness. It's a feature we're quite proud of, offering what we consider to be a superior mechanism. The execution of the precision involved in cutting the internal grooves for the two O-rings was something I spent a long time getting right in the initial design. These grooves are hand cut on a manual lathe, and the tolerances needed for just the right amount of friction to be maintained upon the pen are incredibly tight. We're talking about measurements down to the micron level, ensuring that perfect balance between a secure hold and that signature smooth glide you feel when opening and closing the writer pen. Okay, so at the beginning I said that our writer pen now allows you to use a Rollerball ink refill or a ballpoint ink refill, Type K to be exact, using our new conversion kit, which allows you to opt for the ballpoint Type K refill if you prefer that ballpoint feel of writing. Both refills come with the conversion kit, and every writer pen now comes with the conversion kit as standard, so you can have complete flexibility. As soon as you take it out the box, you'll feel the solid weight of the writer pen. It was designed to be a statement desk piece or everyday carry you could depend on. I keep one in my pocket at all times and have found that the thicker sleeve of the pen allows it to fit snugly within my jeans pocket without it ever poking into my thigh as would be expected from a normal pen loosely placed in your pocket. If you're still watching, guys, thank you so much. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and perhaps hit the bell if you'd like to know or be notified of more videos we launch. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.